Hi guys, this is xagrooos. Today I wanna talk about status or SNT. Ultimate goal of status is to quicken the mass adoption of Ethereum dApps. It will be achieved by targeting the rapidly growing smartphone user segment and making the app discovery and usage easy and intuitive. Apart from the app, the status community also built infrastructure tools which empower everyone to join the community and build a better web together. The main platform components are Incapt, Embark, Studio, Nimbus, and Kcard. What problem does a status solve? Legacy social networks are unbalanced and exploit users for the benefit of advertisers and platform owners. Status seeks to disrupt traditional social network by empowering users. Using a status, they can become important actor in the platform governance and take complete control over personal data. How does a status work? A status is designed to interact with the apps on the Ethereum network. At the same time, it also functions as a messaging platform and Web 3.0 browse. Anyone with internet access can use the status app for free trade, P2P payments, and encrypted P2P communication. The platform utilizes Whisper v5 protocol to delegate nodes and support decentralized chat. Here are some important titles of the key aspect of the status network. Decentralized push notification market, a status platform governance, Ethereum name service usernames, indicator of trust, tribute to talk, attention-based signaling, a status teller network, a status D-app directory, a status sticker market. What is the status network token SNT? SNT is an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum network. It is the utility token of the platform. The status network is free to use, but you need SNT to access premium feature of the app, like select and receive push notification, vote and propose the status governance issues, register and receive usernames, receive budget which indicate account level of the transworldliness, and etc. Where to store a status SNT? Keeping your crypto holding in exchange is unsafe. A good rule of the thumb is to keep them in a private wallet. A status network token SNT are issued on the Ethereum blockchain according to ERC20 standard. Therefore, they can be put on the Ethereum wallet, which support ERS20 tokens. Some of the most popular ERS20 token wallets, including MyEther wallet, MetaMask, or Mist. For the sake of the confidence, you can keep SNT token in a status app. Hardware wallets provide the highest security. A status development the native hardware wallet keycard, but it is not really just yet. Until its release, you can use the most secure industry standard hardware wallet by Ledger or Trezor. Status SNT news and progress. The Status Network project has successfully released their Android and iOS alpha version app as well as the desktop app. The apps were released in the summer of 2080. Status Desktop was released on January 8, 2090. Although they are still in the test phase, users can already enjoy some of their benefits. Thank you for watching this video.